51D?
For sale, please.
This one?
Yeah.
Thank you. Touchdown, guys. We are in Clark. Yahoo! We made it. Safe and sound. Here's Jackie. We made it okay, you guys. The flight is really good. And it's warm in here, really warm.
Really nice.
We are heading out, guys. We are in Clark Airport. Gonna claim our luggages.
They're a little bit smaller than the ones.
Yeah, they're just, this is brand new. They just built this. You see, it's all empty. We are here having lunch, a buffet in San Fernando, Pampanga. It's a Kabalen, the name of the restaurant. Yeah. So I got to see my mom and my brother and my nieces over here. We're having lunch. How are you, Jackie?
I'm good. Thank you.
Alright, I'll show you guys what we're eating. Bye. Ooh, palitaw. They got halo-halo stuff. There's CRK. Lago. Tilapia. Look at that big rice, guys. Huge. Dinuguan. Oh, it looks good. Steak. We have different juices in here. Okay guys, we are in the market getting some sandals for Jackie. We're in a local market here in Olongapo City. And I tell you guys, it's so hot in here, really hot and humid, probably about 90 degrees. It's really hot. I'm starting getting sweat right now. We just got some bread, semara, and there's Leslie eating the bread.
And the fruit,
Star apple.
apple.
Yeah, we got some star apple. We're gonna try it later. Alright guys, we are checked into our Airbnb for a few days. This is where we're gonna be staying, and this view is just phenomenal. This is shots is coming from our balcony, and it's a small tiny room. Let's do this. There's a small shower and a toilet, and our bedroom. Ooh, it's nice and cooler in here. It's cute.